Hey guys, Nothing has finally announced its next big event, Power in Perspective, scheduled for March 4th at 3:30 p.m. IST. While the company hasn't spilled all the details, the teaser is enough to set the tech world buzzing. Why? It hints strongly at a triple camera setup, fueling speculation that the much-anticipated Nothing Phone 3 is about to make its grand debut. Now, here's where things get interesting. This timing perfectly aligns with the Mobile World Congress 2025, one of the biggest tech stages in the world. If you're wondering why this feels like the perfect moment, remember this: Nothing skipped launching any flagship phone in 2024. That makes the Nothing Phone 3 the logical next step, rather than a mid-tier option like the rumored Phone 3A. The teaser gives us a peek at glyph lighting around the camera module, a design element Nothing fans know and love. Speaking of design, we've seen a phone with a similar vibe already. Can you guess which one? Don't worry, we'll reveal it later in the video, so stick around. As for specs, the Nothing Phone 3 is expected to pack a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, targeting the premium segment under 40,000 Indian rupees or $500. That would position it as a serious competitor to the OnePlus, iPhone SE 4, and other heavyweights in the mid-range category. Rumors also suggest a 5,000 mAh battery, though, just like its predecessors, the box might skip the charger, keeping up with Nothing's minimalist trend. If we go by history, the Nothing Phone 2 launched in July 2023 with an LTPO OLED display. Naturally, expectations are sky-high for the Phone 3, which will continue to be available on Flipkart in India. Now, let's talk design. According to teaser, the triple camera layout, arranged vertically in a raindrop style with glyph lighting, seems to draw inspiration from the OnePlus Nord CE4 and Meizu 21. But Nothing wouldn't be Nothing if it didn't add its unique twist. While it shares some design cues, the Phone 3 will undoubtedly bring something fresh to the table. However, if this design turns out to be for the Phone 3A, it could mean the flagship Phone 3 will feature an entirely different look. Here's where things get futuristic: AI integration. Carl Pei, Nothing's CEO, mentioned last year that AI development was the main reason for delaying the Phone 3. Unlike competitors like Apple or Samsung, Nothing is embedding AI directly into the system, aiming to deliver an entirely new level of interaction in a post-app world. This means smarter, seamless features that redefine what your phone can do. So, what do you think? Could the Nothing Phone 3 be the game changer we've all been waiting for? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more updates. I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.